പോണ്ടിച്ചേരി ബീച്ച് എങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ വൈകുന്നേരം പോണ്ടിച്ചേരി പോവാം നമുക്ക്. This is Kumbhar, an old city which is the capital of the Cholas, built in 1st century AD. It was about 2000 years old. This was a flourishing seaport, a trade center with lots of trading activity going on. Evidences say that Roman and Greek coins with all these things have been found here. It was hit by the tsunami, and the rocks over here are evidence that this is a place where the river Kaveri meets with the ocean, mixes with the sea. It's also called Kaveri Purpatnam. എന്താ ഇറങ്ങാനൊക്കെ